Wayne Rooney recently joined them as their head manager now. And at the same time, of course, he's not in the dugouts just yet. Still up and as a manager comes through as well. Right now, of course, our big focus is on the Bayern side. We've been through the starting lineup already. We can go through the substitutions as well, the players that we do have on the bench for today's matchup. As of course, plenty of options there for Julian Nagelsmann as well, with Sven Ulreich, Meyer, De Ligt, of course, Pavard, Kimmich, Coman, Wanner, Hernandez, Thomas Müller is there. Xerxes could certainly be an option. Gravenberch, as well as Fein, Stanisic and Harold, certainly options there for them to get going. Of course, a couple of questions were posed during the pre-match and the pre-match press conference regarding Choupo-Moting. He's at Säbener Straße during the days here in individual practice, just getting his day's work in as well.
Unnecessary, but I'd be surprised if this is not.
To Penius. Of course, also some players moving over back towards the center. As well, already further up the pitch. The ball being won back quickly by DC United, even if it is just right now. Sadio Mane could be towards the center. Great run still, and already being tripped up, and not what I was expecting in the 4th minute. We do have a penalty coming into the game here at the
4 minutes into the game. Sadio Mane on the spots, and of course he's had so much support here at the club already. Steps up
is the 5th minute.
Goalkeeper.
And already the Bayern are up 1-0 in this friendly game here at Audi Fields.
United with plenty of players back, tiki-taka style from Bayern to try and come.
As Sadio Mane was fouled.
Davies out to Gnabry.
Now here for Bayern.
Great little 1-2 there, decent shots! And 2-0 before it really gets going. 12 minutes in.
Foul there, they try to take the...
Doesn't have a work permit yet, so has to watch from afar.
Could drop it to Davies. Great cross and try.
Nice way to try and keep possession. But Bayern yet again.
And 2-0 before it really gets going. 12 minutes in.
Coming forward. Sadio Mane has support. Great crossover. Gnabry's shots. Is a goal, although it was...
Great crossover. Gnabry's shots. Is a goal, although it was deflected and able to beat Jan
Kempen in goal. It will a kick. That's exactly what we're going to see. Kempens on goal, and of course the fans just behind the goal.
However, and a nice little crossover from Sadio Mane.
Corner early into the second half. Kimmich back on those duties. It was Vidovic in the first half. Back post! And there you go, that's how quickly it can go. It didn't take long for Matthijs de Ligt to score. Wanner. Decent ball forward. Cross coming in from Thomas Müller. Back post. Ball goes through. Still need that final shot. Kimmich. Back to Müller. Has space to get a chip in. Back post. Decent pass, and there you go. Certainly not going to be offsides. Joshua Xerxes. Lots of rumours around him as well that we're not going to focus. Need that side. Joshua Xerxes. This entire game. And also been firmly within the Bayern side. Cross coming in. Sané. Back post position. Decent shots, like deflection. And in the end, Matthijs de Ligt tried to head it back towards the post. Sven Ulreich tried to jump forward, and it didn't quite work out. And DC United do. Benjamin Pavard gets possession back. Still, DC United certainly dangerous here. Just need to get the ball towards the centre. Great shots, and Sven Ulreich has been beat once more. Good job there by Theodor Kudi.
Now on the break, Thomas Müller, one-on-one with the keeper, challenge from behind, scores! And that's exactly what we expected from Thomas Müller. He's able to score his first goal of the 2022-23 season. Of course, still in pre-season for right now. But I think that is a way to close things down in style. And a great counter-attack here. Perfect pass. I'm sure it was fouled at the very end, but not before he can get that shot off. And no chance if you're the keeper on that occasion. Of course, Bayern fans loving that one. Müller, of course, one of the players that's been with this Bayern side for the longest.